Hey everybody, I hope you all are doing well on today. I am doing great. So I wanted to bring to you another hot job lead that we have. All right. And before we get started, let's go ahead and run that intro. All right. So again, my name is Roxy and I'm here to talk about everything's money. Let me start with a couple of quotes. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking, okay? Don't settle. As with all matters of the heart, you'll know when you find it. All right. Also, my favorite quote of the day is let your faith be bigger than your fear. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and get into this job lead. All right. So it's a claims representative and it's with Acuity. All right. You have the description here. Acuity is seeking claims representatives to promptly investigate, assign claims to determine specifics surrounding a property, auto, or general liability claims. All right. So your essential functions could be, not could be, but will be proactively investigate, evaluate, and resolve assigned multi-line property and liability claims within multiple state venues, thoroughly investigate, assign claims by conducting phone interviews, obtaining recorded statements, securing photos, and obtaining written reports and or documents. All right. I mean, it's a list here, but I'm going to say a few. Successfully manage litigation files according to company guidelines, maintain a positive professional attitude, and so forth and so on. Your education, a college degree or equivalent, relevant experience, customer service or insurance experience is preferred. Okay, so the other qualifications: excellent written and verbal communication skills, proven organizational and time management skills, proficient in current computer technology, ability and willingness to provide quality customer service, strong analytical and creative problem solving abilities, ability to work both independently and in collaboration with others. Bilingual is a valuable competency. So, our competence, but you'll go ahead and click the apply now button to the top right if you are interested in applying for the position. Okay, this is a full-time work from home position. It does have the states that you're required to be in for remote qualifications, but of course, you know my motto: go ahead and apply anyway. All right. If you're enjoying looking at content like this or on ways to make money, of course I'm going to try to upload more frequently, but I try to post anything that deals with making money. That's what this channel is about. So whatever you're interested in that realm, please go ahead and comment and message me and let me know. All right, have a good day.
You get to cry. Thank you.